go ahead and do an illiopsoas melt. So the iliac crest is the inside of our pelvis bone. It's almost like a fan that goes across, and the muscles come up and across like a fan. So hip bone, it comes across. We're gonna go ahead and release that muscle today. So the iliac and psoas connect with each other and help with hip extension. They like to get tight, and if they get really tight, they'll cause a lot of lower back issues. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to release it today. You can take a rolled up towel, or you can take a really soft ball, or sometimes you'll see at massage offices, they'll have plastic balls that are see-through, but they're really squishy. I'd suggest getting a softer ball for this. If you do have a heavier ball, maybe you wrap it around with a soft towel, or even if you have like a smaller volleyball that's really squishy, you can use that as well. But we're gonna try to use a really soft ball here. And you can take a rolled up towel too. So you're gonna go ahead and come up. I'm not gonna be able to see my head. We're gonna find the crest of our pelvis, or the hip joint, or right here. You're gonna find both underneath your hip joint, right here. And you're gonna go ahead and perform small movements while you're doing this. So we're bringing it down. I have it in my hip joint. I'm gonna go ahead and come on the ground, lie down, and then I'm just gonna place my hands on top of my head. And then I'm just gonna breathe into this. 3 seconds in, 3 to 4 seconds in through the nose, 3 to 4 seconds in, out through the mouth. And we're just gonna breathe naturally. And every time you take a big breath out, I want you to think you're sinking into the ball like butter on mashed potatoes. I want you to think your hips are sinking into the floor, into that ball, and wrapping around them, encompassing the ball completely. So we can get those muscles loosened up, and you can go back and forth movements. You can move up just a little bit. If you feel a really tight spot, hold it there. It's gonna be some uncomfortable pressure. If it's like pain, just back off a little bit because it might be too much. And we just wanna breathe. We sink down a little bit deeper every time. So you're relaxing your shoulders. We're breathing through the belly. So this is a great time to work on diaphragmatic breathing as well. Take a deep breath, and I want your breath is gonna physically feel expansion into the ground when we breathe in. You're gonna go ahead and do this for about a minute and then switch sides. One more demo. Doing it right where the hip joints connected.